Hey guys, so I'm going to unbox a brand new Ikea cable USB A to Lightning. So without further ado, let's get started. And of course, this is original cable made for iPhone, iPad and iPod, MFI certified. So that's why I bought this. So now let's unbox and let's see the cable. Wow, so here's the cable. Looks very nice. It has a cable tie here. I'm going to cut this cable tie using my knife. Wow, look at that. This is the original cable from Ikea, as you can see. It smells very nice. USB A to Lightning. So here's my iPhone. Let me try to insert it. Very soft. Very nice. So now I'm going to try to charge the phone with using my original adapter from Apple 2013 model. So let's go. Here's my adapter, 10 watt, and my new cable. And my phone. Try to connect. Let's see if it's worked or not. It works, as you can see. It charged. So this is my new cable for Apple devices. I'm so happy that I got this very cheap price. I bought brand new, of course. I got this rope. And so before I end this video, you can give your feedback for this unbox a brand new Ikea cable USB A to Lightning in the comment below, and suggest for me. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on this video. Goodbye and have a nice day.